Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is 6moto Kids Mini Dirt Bike. This bike comes with a 49cc engine that will soar through any road with ease. The bike has rear suspension that provides a comfortable ride while racing through the unknown. A front and back brake disc will help you brake whenever you wish. Gas off-road bike is made to give your wild side a chance to roam. This off-road bike may appear to be small, but do not let its size fool you. With high-quality material, this bike can take you to places you never imagined. Blaze through the dirt with style. Let them know you are coming. Real 2-stroke engine, instead of noisy lawnmower motor. Equipped with improved speed limiter and can limit speed from 30 miles per hour to 15 miles per hour for sure. Our second best 2-stroke dirt bike is FRP DB002 2-stroke Kid Dirt Bike. This 50cc dirt bike supports weight up to 165.3 pounds with dimensions of 38-inch length by 22-inch weight by 27-inch height. FRP DB002 Kids Dirt Bikes build with rugged, proven clutch and solid, sturdy metal tube steel frame for extra stability. The rear disc brake presents smooth motion when stopped, which can ensure kids won't bypass safety speed with our 50cc dirt bike. Please read the entire manual carefully before operation and understand oil mix is required. With our gas dirt bikes, your kids can experience passionate but safety power with the 50cc 2-stroke engine and fully automatic chain transmission system. Maximum speed will be 20 miles per hour for this kid's dirt bike. FRP DB002 Off-Road Mini Dirt Bike for bike has 50cc 2-stroke engine that is fuel efficient. Our new technology brings the 50cc dirt bike longer engine life that provides your kids with longer excitement and entertainment. Third choice in our list is Extreme Power US 2-stroke dirt bike. The Extreme Power US Ride-On Pocket Dirt Bike is made for you to live out your off-road thrills, kicking up dirt and blazing the trails. This pocket bike is built with a high-performance 49cc engine that will blaze past similar mini dirt bikes of its class. Extreme Power US presents the Mini Pocket Dirt Bike, designed to be stable and fast without sacrificing safety or control when used. The bike features large knobby tires, good grip and a superior suspension so the rider can easily go over bumps and dips on the road, enabling users to retain maximum control and speed while having fun riding. You might be fooled by its small size, but the bike will pack a punch with plenty of power. The mini dirt bike will be able to travel at speeds up to 20 miles per hour using its powerful high-torque motor. The ideal off-roading adventure gift for teens or young adolescent. Number 4 in our side is Generic Dirt Bike. Perfect for the young beginners. This pit bike is gas-powered with a 49.9cc 2-stroke engine, perfect for kids to learn to ride on. The new design looks just like the full-size dirt bikes that kids love. This bike features a pull start, fuel tank capacity of 0.45 gallons, 2.5-inch wide and 10-inch diameter alloy wheels, and front and rear disc brakes. The bike comes 85% assembled. Buyers will need to install the front tire, fender and rear shock, as well as apply decals. Customer service is available and we're here to answer any questions you might have. Shipping is via UPS ground and a signature is required at delivery. Last in our top 5 best 2-stroke dirt bike list is Expow Mini Dirt Bike. A beginner's off-road small gasoline motorcycle, equipped with a 2-stroke 49cc engine and a speed limiter. The product has been assembled 80%, with related tools and kits, easy to install the mudguard and handle. The speed is 50 km per hour. Pull start, speed, 50 km per hour, transmission that chain drive, load, 80 kilograms. Braking system, front and rear disc brakes. The product is suitable for beginners and ideal riders, and suitable for children over 6 years old. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.